Good morning, friends. So today, me, Dr. Suresh Thakur, and Arif are going to do the experiment related to oxalic acid and succinic acid. These are two water soluble acids. Actually, when we differentiate, there are water soluble acids, water insoluble acids. So these two are in the BSc syllabus and both are water soluble. So if we have water soluble acids, then either oxalic acid or succinic acid is in the mixture. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the differentiation, how to distinguish between oxalic acid and succinic acid. Okay, let us start. So first we prepare aqueous solution of oxalic acid. Okay, so this is the clear solution of oxalic acid. We prepared it. We keep it in the tube stand. Okay, in the second test tube, we take KMnO4 solution. Right. Now, we have already prepared oxalic acid solution. Now we mix them. Yes, ऊपर रखो थोड़ा. Yes. When we mix KMnO4, in KMnO4 we add oxalic acid. See, there is a disappearance of violet color due to the oxalic acid, because you know KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent, and now we heat it. So there is a complete disappearance of violet color. See, already this color is fainted out, but on heating it is completely disappeared. So let us see. Now we heat it, because you know oxalic acid is molecular in nature. Oxalate ion and MnO4 negative ion, when they react together, see, on slight heating it is completely disappeared. So if color of KMnO4 disappears, then it is an oxalic acid. But in case of succinic acid, the disappearance of color does not take place. So let us see with succinic acid. Now we prepare aqueous solution of succinic acid. You know succinic acid is less soluble in water because it has more number of carbons. So we have to heat it to prepare its aqueous solution. Just a gentle heating. So on heating, it is completely soluble in water. You know oxalic acid as well as succinic acid, both are dicarboxylic acids, so they can form hydrogen bonding with water. That's why they are water soluble. So see, on heating it is completely soluble in water. Okay, now on adding dilute solution of KMnO4, see, its color remains same. It does not disappear. Though it is slightly, color is decreased because you know aqueous solution of succinic acid is colorless. So when we add, there is a decrease in intensity of the color, but it cannot be completely disappeared even on heating. See, when we heat it even, its color remains as such. In case of oxalic acid, when we slightly heat it, it is completely disappeared. But see, in this case, the color is all. So see, the color remains as such even on heating. So this is the test for succinic acid and oxalic acid. You can see, in case of oxalic acid, color is disappeared completely, but in case of succinic acid, there is bit appearance of the color. It is not completely disappeared. So this is a test to distinguish between oxalic acid and succinic acid by using KMnO4 solution. Now, second test for oxalic acid and succinic acid is calcium chloride test. Now, for oxalic acid, when we add CaCl2 in it, yes, when we add it dropwise, see, there is appearance of cloudiness. So there is a formation of calcium oxalate and cloudiness appears. You can see, okay, right? So white PPT of calcium oxalate are formed, but when we do it same with succinic acid, it remains colorless. You can see. So this is succinic acid solution. Yes. See, when we add, there is no appearance of PPTs. Okay. So this is the second test. So in this way, we can see, we differentiate between oxalic acid and succinic acid. First is KMnO4 test and second one is CaCl2 test. In KMnO4 test, KMnO4 color disappears in oxalic acid, and in succinic acid it remains as such. And in case of CaCl2, when we add CaCl2 in oxalic acid, there is appearance of white PPT, but in case of succinic acid, there is no PPT is formed. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. And this is our supporting team. Now
Hiren.
this is Hiren Modi, Arif and Jai Bhajan. So this is our supporting team. This is, first one is Hiren, second is Arif, and third one is Jay. So these are faculty members of MN College, Visnagar. God bless you all. Thank you very much.